Here's how to get your new tax ID in Nigeria. From 2026 January upward, this is how you can do it. It's pretty easy. You just go to the website taxid.nrs.gov.ng. Alright, taxid.nrs.gov.ng, and it's a very simple website where you can use to retrieve your tax ID. So how do you go? When you get there, you can go with your mobile or your laptop. When you get there, you see this individual category. So if you want to get your individual category, you come there. That's for your personal income tax. You can use this. So you see this place. It will show you both of these. Just click on the national identification number, and that's your NIN. And when you get here, you type your NIN number, whatever it is, you can type it. All right. So it's about 11 digits, I think. So you type it. So when you type it and you click retrieve tax ID, it will retrieve it for you. All right. So if you type an incorrect ID, this is what it's going to tell you. Okay. The next stage, before you get it, enter your name as found in your tax ID or in your NIN. In your NIN, your first name, your last name, your date of birth. You click I hereby consent and you click this. So if it is the same as captured by NIMC for your NID, it will show you your tax ID. But if it is different and you try it again, it is different, then you may need to contact the tax office nearest to you, all right, or your NIMC to get that sorted out. But for most people, if it's correct, you get your tax ID. And when it comes, please save it, all right. So let's go to corporate ID for businesses. For example, so the different categories. If you go there, remember I click corporate, then I came here. So business name, if you're using business name, click on it. So you ask for your business name. You know, business name usually have your BN something. So you don't have to add the BN. Just put only the numbers there. Leave the BN out of it. If you're looking at a company, you click on your company. That's your limited liability company. When you get here, type only the RC number. So don't add the RC, just add the digits around it. For example, I used one here. There's an example here. Okay, that we use one to plan. So if I click retrieve tax ID, it's going to give me this. So this is my for what I'm doing. All right. So let me just reset it so I can do another one. So you can just do that and be able to get your corporate ID. If you check very well, it's different from your former TIN number that you have in your tax clearance and all that. So I think they will reconcile that somewhere, some way. But always get this. You can screenshot it, you can copy it and save it somewhere. So if tomorrow it doesn't appear again, you can just show that this is your retrieved number as gotten. All right, yeah, you can do that. All right, and there are others as well. So click on there, you see ministry, department, or agencies, non-resident entity that you don't live in Nigeria but you earn money from Nigeria and all that. So you put it in. So this is how to go about it. Remember, the website is taxid.nrs.gov.ng. all right, and when you go there, you can also navigate, click on what is a tax ID. You can read up on what it is and know more about it, how it works. So you go there and see how much ID works. All right, and everything I said before they are explained here. Service availability, this is cool. So for tax ID verification, it will show you service available. Your CAC is reduced performance, is not as service not as optimized or stronger. The NIN, your NIN verification number, so it's up. So this is just to check, just an assessment of how the system is working. But this is the most important thing in your home. Your individual, if you want to get your individual, remember this anytime you want to get your business, you click corporate and do that, and for others. All right. So hope you learn something. Share this with who needs to hear it so they can do it yourself, and try it early so that if it's not working, you can quickly rectify this in your tax office or the closest office next to you. You can go physically to go complain and say this is what is going on, and they may refer you to NIMC to go correct it, or if they have a mechanism to do that, they can do that so that you have your tax ID, because that is what you'll be using to filing your personal income tax. That's your PIT. That's what you'll be using. That's the number that will be quoted. All right. And once you have it, you don't need another one. All right. Irrespective of where you are, you can use it in your state and all that. Businesses, of course, is for your federal and all that. So you can do that. All right. Go through it. And if you have any complaints, any questions, definitely you can ask in the comment section. All right. And if you have a story around it, share your story, share your own experience around it. All right. Of course, while we expect the tax thing to gradually set in and all that, you can put this in place so that you won't be afraid because of ignorance. Knowledge is available to you right now. Make sure you share this on WhatsApp groups, your Facebook page and all that, so that people will learn and be able to do these themselves, so it'll be easy for you to get and have it handy just before the time reaches. If it changes, fine, but otherwise you can have it handy, and if you have any problem, you can quickly solve it before the time elapses. All right. So hope this helps someone out there. Do well to share, do well to learn, and you can always watch it again and refer to it. You can save it, you can click notification buttons so that you can always access it. All right. See you in my next video where I'll be talking a lot more about tax education and all the things about protecting your money and your digital identity. All right. See you in my next video.